Hello everyone, welcome back to Mira's Tech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily cut or trim any video using VLC Media Player. And yes, it's 100% free and super simple. So let's jump right into it. First, open the video you want to trim in VLC Player. Next, we need to enable some hidden tools. Click on View in the top menu and make sure Advanced Controls is checked. Once enabled, you'll see a new row of buttons above the play controls, including the all-important record button, which looks like a red dot. Now play your video and pause it exactly at the point where you want the cut to begin. You can use the frame-by-frame button for accuracy. Once you're ready, press the red record button. Now let the video play until it reaches the end of the part you want to cut. Then click the record button again to stop. Your trimmed clip is now saved automatically in your videos folder, and you'll see your newly created clip there. And that's it. You've just cut a video using VLC without any special software. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Mira's Tech, and let me know in the comments if you want more video editing tips using free tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.